Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to do a very simple unboxing of this G413 carbon mechanical keyboard. And before we start, I apologize for the video quality and also the audio quality because I'm actually recording this from my smartphone. And yeah, so we're going to see at the side of this box, it says what's inside this thing and the system requirements. Alright, it says we have a gaming keyboard, of course, the gaming keycaps, the keycap puller, and some paperworks. And here we have four main features that they are advertising. We have the mechanism of this thing, there's a USB, and some special keycaps. I can see from here the shape is different. We're going to see when we open it up. And also the surface material of this keyboard. So let's jump into the unboxing. Well, there's one box inside the main box, so we're gonna open up this one. Right, yay, here we go. Okay, I didn't open it up upside down for this one. There's a plastic wrap. Do take this thing out. Okay, it's stuck. I'm sorry. Okay, this one, we take this thing out, put it aside. It's actually very heavy because this is actually the first mechanical keyboard I've ever owned. As you can see, the keycaps are hiding inside. We can see R and E inside there. And two pieces of paper. This one says, you plug in the USB and then, yeah, you can start using it. Download the software, alright. Yeah. So this thing is now empty. We should expect the key puller and also the extra keycaps inside here. So I'm going to open this thing up. Well, just to let you know, those keycaps and the key puller is actually sealed inside another bag. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up and show it to you guys. So here it is. I have opened up all this. I have cut them into sections because the package sectioned them. And this is the cable. You can see it's actually braided. And we have two USB connections. I guess one of it is actually for this one. I think the box actually mentioned it. There's a USB 2.0 over here. Maybe you want to use it for connect it. Because usually when you connect it to the PC, the USB port is actually behind. Sometimes you won't have the USB port in front of you. This one actually helps you a little bit. So I think later I'm going to try out what happens if I connect only one. And then we have this, the key puller. This one actually it's actually for you to change the keycaps. You see all this? The special keycaps. You can see how it actually goes inside. Okay, time to get it to focus. Okay, from here you can see that the key is actually I think you can tell it's actually a little bit I would not say it's translucent. Yeah, you see inside here. You just use this one to pull up Q and you put this one, the new one, inside. So when you touch it, you can feel it. Okay, this is, it's a different key. So that's it. I'm not going to show you how to change the key in this video. I think I'm going to put it in another video because this one gets a little bit long, I think. So that's it. Like the video, and that's it. Bye.